Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get a $100 no deposit bonus that you can start trading with. Alright, and also at the end of this video I'll be discussing about the terms and conditions attached to getting this wonderful opportunity. Alright, so all you just have to do is to stick to the end of this video so that you don't miss out on this opportunity. And also don't forget to like, share and comment the country where you're watching from, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on updates like this, because I'll be dropping updates on how you can make money in 2025. Right, so without any further ado, let's dive into how you can get this done. Right, so right here, to get to their website, you have to check the link in the description menu. It's going to take you to my Telegram channel, and when you get there you're going to find the link to this site. Click on it, and after clicking on it, it's going to take you here. And after getting here, you have to register. All right, you know the drill. Just input your details right here and select this. After that, click on continue right here. Click on continue, and after clicking on continue, it's going to take you to the next step. All right, so let me do this quickly and get back to the video. All right, so after doing that, this is where it's going to take you to. So they are going to send a pin to your email. All right, so you have to wait patiently to get the pin, and after getting it, you input it right here, and after that you click on continue. All right, you click on continue right here. So let me get this done right now. All right, so after clicking on continue, it's going to take you to their home page. All right, now the next thing for you to do right now is to verify your profile. All right, and I'll be showing you how you can do that very quickly. So the next thing for you to do now is to click on this and click on profile, and click on profile right here. All right, so this is your profile, and you can see right here your profile is not verified. All right, so the means by which you can verify your profile is by uploading your ID or passport and your proof of address. All right, so just click on upload right here, and you see that you upload your ID or your proof of address right now. So we are uploading our ID, and input your documents number, select type, national ID or passport, and then you select the country of issue. You select your country, and you upload your front here, your front side, and you upload your back side right here. All right, and after that you upload selfie with ID. All right, after uploading it, then you go back to the next one, which is uploading your proof of address. All right, so select proof of address and select type, bank statement, bill, utilities or driver's license. After selecting, select your country, city, address, postal code, and drag the file right here or upload the file right here. After doing this, click on upload, and after that you have to wait patiently for them to verify your profile. All right, so after verifying your profile, it's going to display right here that your profile has been verified. All right, so after your profile has been verified, the next thing is for us to get the bonus. All right, so click on this place and click on account, click on open live account, and after opening live, clicking on that, and after clicking on that, click on select right here, and right here it's going to bring you the no deposit bonus. All right, the no deposit bonus account. Click on it and then click on continue. After doing this, you have to wait for in the space of 24 hours, they are going to send you the login details to your Gmail. All right, for you to log in into your MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4. After getting it, you just have to move there and log in, and after logging in, you can start trading with it. All right, so right now we're talking about the terms and conditions attached to being able to withdraw from this bonus. All right, so stick with me as I give you the terms and conditions attached to being able to withdraw your profit from this bonus. Right, so this is the terms and conditions showing on the screen right here, and I'll be explaining the ones that are very important to you. Right, so so for you to be able to receive this bonus, you must be from one of these countries right here. All right, must be from Singapore, is either Singapore, Malaysia, Vietnam, Thailand, Philippines, Pakistan, Mexico, Laos, South Africa, Brazil, Bangladesh, and India. All right, so these are the countries where this no deposit cashback is available. All right, so if you are not from this country, you can't be able to get this bonus. All right, but just subscribe to this channel. When there's a bonus for you guys, I'll let you know. All right, so another terms and condition attached to being able to withdraw from this bonus is that you must achieve a profit of 100 USD to activate the cashback. All right, so the minimum withdrawal is 20 USDT, and to get that you have to trade 8 lot size. All right, so before you can start planning on withdraw from this bonus, you are given 100 USD no deposit bonus. You must make another 100 USD before you can start, before the cashback can be get activated. All right, so the minimum withdrawal is 20 USDT, and before you can get the 20 USDT, you must meet 80 lot size, and to be able to withdraw 100 USDT, you will trade 40 lot size. All right, so these are the main terms and conditions attached to being able to withdraw from this bonus, right? So, and this bonus is only active on MT4, it's not on MT5 trading app. So I hope this video has helped you one way or the other. If you are finding it difficult to claim yours, let me know in the description menu, in the comment section. I'll be very happy to help. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. All right, and also comment the country where you're watching from, so that I can keep making videos for your country. Thank you so very much for watching, and have a nice day.